Have you ever dreamt of a project going smoothly, only to see it crumble because someone forgot a key detail?
Yes!
Yeah, me too, but fear not, because there is a secret weapon called Requirements Elicitation that can save the day. Now, elicitation sounds fancy, maybe even magical, but according to the dictionary, it just means to draw out, like pulling a rabbit from a hat. In the world of software development, elicitation isn't about tricks. It's a crucial step where we unearth the hidden needs of our customers. I remember when my team and I were building a customer relationship system, CRM. When the client gave us a list of features, it felt like a grocery list, not a dream project for sure. So I ditched the notes and got creative. We did a workshop, customers and role-playing real-life situations. And guess what? During one scene, a sales manager casually mentioned needing mobile access to customer data, and boom! Game changer. This wasn't on any list, but it was vital. You see how elicitation is like pulling a hidden gem from the user's mind. It's a collaborative process, not one-way street. We need to actively engage stakeholders, hear their ideas, and build consensus. Imagine all the amazing features hidden in our client's head. Elicitation helps us discover them. Without it, project can fail because we missed critical needs. That's like building a house without a blueprint. Disaster. So to avoid the project meltdowns, thorough preparation is key. So what exactly do we ask during elicitation? We don't just wing it. We have to obtain information through different techniques like interviews, workshops, and even prototyping. This helps us uncover hidden needs the client might not even realize they have. Once we have that information, we need to organize it using powerful tools like use cases and object-oriented analysis. How do we do all this? Well, that's a whole other magic trick. If you're curious about the techniques to get those hidden requirements out, check the link in the description below. We will unveil the secrets of elicitation mastery.